Hello, this is Lori Kornblum. I'm an attorney and I teach at MATC in the paralegal department. I am bringing you this tutorial tonight on how to deal with long-term mortgages that you want to pay monthly in the plan but continue paying outside of the plan. So let's go to our fictional best case couple, the Mandels, and let's go to their residence, their Schedule A property. So here we have their home. Their house is at 46 Highwater Place in Racine. The value of the home is $200,000. And we find that they have a lien on the home from First National Finance for $89,000. So let's open that. So they owe quite a bit of money on their house. They still owe $89,000. Now, for purposes of the means test, they have an arrearage, so we put the arrearage in. We've calculated the payment, and if they pay it over 60 months, they're going to end up paying $1,438.33 plus $45 for the means test. So they effectively are raising their monthly payment from $900 that it is now to over $1,400. So they don't really want to do that. So when we go to the plan treatment, the normal way that it is done is the default is secured paid pro rata, and that would mean that instead of having several years to pay the debt, they would be cramming it into 5 years, which is not really in their interest. So instead of doing that, we're going to do secured long-term in plan. And that means that they would pay their monthly payment of $900, which we know from the problem set. The $900 monthly payment they would pay throughout the course of the plan, and then they would continue paying that after the plan is done. So let's see what this looks like in the Chapter 13 plan. Just to see how we got there, I'm going to close this out. You go to the Chapter 13 plan, and we have something that says Secured Long-Term in Plan. We're going to highlight this, and we have $86,300 because that's the mortgage minus the arrearage. And it is going to go like this. We can click on it and see what the claims are and what the payout is. So these are all the claims, and again we have a First National Finance claim. It's going to show of $900 per month, and we can actually view the payout like this, secured long-term in the plan. And it's going to have the balance is just going to keep paying out like that. So the payments, I don't actually have that because we haven't calculated the plan, and I'm going to close that out. But you can see that you've done your secured long-term in the plan. It calculates, and that will be fine. And that's the end of this video.